The Australian Lifestyle Group. As discussed with our consultant, here is a presentation on the projects. In this presentation, I'll explain the following: the projects, why it works, our uniqueness, the offer, and the next step. Before I start, I just want to give you a quick saying by Robert G. Allen. Don't wait to buy real estate and wait. The projects. Currently, we have a 10-story mid-rise apartment block with 66 units. The land and build cost is about 24 million, and the value once completed is nearly 38 million. That means we should have an estimated return of $14 million. We also have an RV resort, which is for our over 50 lifestyle resort clients. This is 265 houses. The land and build cost is 39 million or $150,000 each house. Once completed, the value of the houses will be worth 58 million. We also have an infrastructure lease on the land of another 10 million, so the total is $68 million worth of assets. Once you become an investor, more information on the projects will be made available. Why it works. At the Australian Lifestyle Group Limited, we have a great system implemented by an experienced team of professionals who are well committed and well established. We also have a great business model that allows investors like yourselves the advantages and rights of the lender, including security, cash flow, liquidity, with a buyback of shares in a hassle-free with no day-to-day decision making, unlike the stock market. The uniqueness of our product is that we are able to purchase raw land, obtain the new land zonings to change it from raw or industrial to residential. This gives an increase in the land value. We're able to build all the infrastructure, we can build all the houses and the end product, and more importantly, we can fund the end purchaser by way of a lease to own model. Our uniqueness is the way that I've just explained. Step 1, you the client purchases shares in the Australian Lifestyle Group. We then use up to 20% of the funds invested to acquire new development. We then use a further 20% to improve upon that land by way of infrastructure, building approvals, and all the development approvals that are required to make the project a success. We also use up to 55% as the exit strategy of 2 and 3. This allows us to offer the end purchaser a lease to own finance package, so we are not reliant on the big banks paying out steps 2 and 3. We also use 5% of all the costs of all the funds raised to pay costs associated with running and operating the offer. The fund is structured as a closed-end managed fund. The minimum subscription by an investor is $10,000 for 10 shares. The expected dividends ranges between 9 to 15% per annum, paid quarterly in arrears. As an example, we do it pro rata, so depending on when your money actually clears for the shares, we calculate it from that day going forward. We also have a buyback of shares by the company, which will be done over a 5-year period after the first year on a first in, first out basis. However, in our one-on-one meeting, I'll discuss that in more detail. The next step. Well, this is the end of the presentation. It is a quick one. I just want to thank you for your time and watching it. The next step is I will be contacting you at the time range with our consultant. Till then, stay safe, and should you have any questions, please email me at michael@australianlifestylegroup.com. I thank you once again for your time, and I look forward to our meeting as arranged. All the best.